Alright, so today is another day and we are gonna do a new room in tryhackme. This is called Bug. It is basically I haven't read the room description yet. Well, let's just read it. John was working on his smart home appliance when he noticed a weird traffic going across the network. Can you help him figure out these weird network communication are? So it looks like John was an idiot because, as I hope everybody knows, you should not be using smart home appliances like smart fridges, smart lights, or whatever. I just don't suggest it at all because if somebody just hacks them, well, they are hackable, especially the smart fridges. You don't need a smart fridge, but anyways, that's just an opinion. Let's go further. First, we'll use nmap to scan the target. Just see what is going on with the target. Let's just scan furthermore and see what we can get. We did a PM and then A because I want as much information as I can from this. Now if we scan it, it should. So what we seem to get from this scan is nothing much. That okay, yes, saw only one scan happening, which was it's only doing TCP scan, and we got some information about it. It's open SSH 8.2 p1. There's no website for this, that's for sure, because there's no HTTP or HTTPS. It gave me the okay. Let's just increase the range of our scan. I just want to be sure to scan this as much as I can before I jump in. Okay, now doing the scan, it's gonna scan all 65,000 ports. We got two ports now. One is SSH and second is MQTT. Okay, this should be interesting. I'll just search up what was it? MQTT. MQTT. I don't need to use this. I can just go to Gemini or Copilot. It's fine to use these tools if you don't know something. I just want to do all this by myself. I don't want to read the write-ups this time like I did like before. So I'm gonna do my research as we go on. What is MQTT port? Okay, so what I do seem to find is, which I had actually forgot. I know what MQTT is, but I guess I just forgot. I couldn't recognize it properly. Okay, the one we got is unencrypted. It's not encrypted, which is not a good sign for them, of course. For us, it's a really good thing. And 88883 is encrypted. Okay, I'll remember this. And 80 and 443, of course. I know this. This is usually browser based, of course, and are heavily encrypted. Anyways, finding unencrypted. Okay, so we are gonna target the mosquito. Do I even have this tool? I do. Okay, I have the tool, and if we just install it, oh, I don't have this one. Oh, my bad. I don't have it. I didn't know I didn't have it, so I'm just gonna download it. Back from further explanations, which I seem to get now, is we have to use mosquito underscore sub. Okay, it's client subscription. Okay, time has passed. I have been trying to understand and figure out what I had to do by reading some online documentation. Not the write-ups, still not the write-ups, but I think I have nailed it down to what I need to do. As you can see, I have been trying to figure it out for a bit before I started making a video. I still haven't solved it, but I figured I read about it and I did some research and I attempted it myself. I didn't get the answer, but it should be a good journey. I did it halfway through. I didn't fully complete it. So if we just make sure to start scanning, as you can read the description, John was working on his smart home appliances when he noticed a weird traffic going across the network. Can you help him figure out what weird network communications are? what these weird network communications are. Okay, first we'll use a mosquito, which is a subscriber tool, to see what IoT devices are talking about. So we will just use this, and we'll get the result of the smartphone devices. And as we go further, you will notice something which I did as well. As you can see, something that does not belong here is, of course, this base64 message. Why? Because it's fully encoded and I cannot read it, while the other one should are quite readable. So we are going to decrypt it. Base 64-D. It is not decryptable. It's not we cannot decode it, but oh shit, we had to remove the topic, and then if we decode it, we get a few things which will be useful for us. We get an ID of, I think, a user, and the registered commands, which are help, cmd, and sys. The topic, subtopic. Oh, this is a pub topic, and that's a subtopic. What is going to be important for us over here is an ID and pub topic and subtopic. Okay, now we need to set up an environment over here. This is going to be a listener. I'm gonna copy the public message, pub topic over here, pub topic most t instead of t output. Now this is active. I'll just echo n ls. I'm gonna do la because I want to see the list. The result in the list format. Base 64. You know what? I'm not gonna mess with it. I'll just use ls right now. If I need it, I'll use it. Quote. I shouldn't. What do you mean quote? Oh, my bad. I didn't put a column over here. Yeah. Now we got a new message, new encoded over here. We are going to send it to our pub. Where's the subtopic? Should be, yeah, okay. The subtopic goes over. Oh, not copied properly. The base 64 we just made over here, which is going to be like this, and if we just run it, we should get an output over here. Okay, now we are gonna repeat this step, but this time, now we got this output, and this time I'm gonna decode this section again. And okay, or echo. I'm just gonna write it echo this base 64 decrypt. Pretty sure I was supposed to get a proper output over here. Oh no, I didn't do it properly. I think I should now add this fully before I even run it. Not running properly, but well, I know that the output should be the output for ls should be flag. So I'll skip that part where it shows flag because it's not showing. I don't know why. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, maybe I am not, but should be seeing it regardless. But if I'm not, I'll just move forward and we will run the same command again, but instead of everything, cat flag dot txt. The argument is this, our cmd, and this is our ID. And if we run it now, we should get, okay, we get another encryption, another encoded message, and we should send it to our listener again, or speaker. I forgot what it was, but it's a subtopic of this subtopic. The new base64 should go over here. I don't think it's much different than old one, is it? Oh yeah, it is different. I see it, I see the difference. And if we go back here, get the same message. Subtopic is over here, and M, the new encoder, is over here, and we get the same output as before in our terminal 1. There's something wrong. Oh yeah, we got a flag over here now. Jeez. Okay, see, we got a flag over here. If we run it now, hopefully get the output over here. Yes, we did. This is what I was basically trying to show before. The cat argument and the flag should have been over here, but it wasn't there. What is a problem over here? Okay, so there was an issue with my command, apparently. There was an issue with my command. It was a really minor issue which a lot of us couldn't just notice, but this stupid thing was inside the semicolon while it should be outside. And if we run it now, yeah, we get a completely different output, which when we run and inside our listener, we should get, we should get something different now, as you can see. And now if we decode it by base64 echo, this is going to be our final base code, so we are probably going to find the answer now. Going to be the flag. We have found the flag, and that was it about it. It was a bit tricky for me to start because again, okay, it was a bit tricky for me to start again because I had to work with base64, and I had to constantly decode and like find a new message and then decode it again. I guess it was covered under multiple layer of decoding, but we found the flag.